Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. You need to start by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access Battery section. When you are ready, select Performance next to Balanced and confirm your choice by hitting OK in Performance mode pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on Balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!